Acids, bases and salts. In this chapter, we gonna learn about what are acids, what are bases, what are salts, what are indicators, properties of acids, properties of bases, properties of salts. The term acid and base have different definitions based on the particular way of looking at the properties of acidity and basicity. What is an acid? A substance which reacts with a base to form a salt is called an acid. What is a base? A substance which can neutralize an acid to form a salt is called a base. And what is an indicator? An indicator is a dye that changes color when is put into an acid or in a base. So today I am going to perform an activity to show you all how an indicator works. So let's get started. For this experiment, we will use turmeric solution as an indicator. Beside this, lemon juice, which is acidic, soap water, which is basic, 2 clean small empty glasses and a dropper. Take a little bit of lemon juice in a glass. In the other glass, take a little bit of soap water. Add few drops of turmeric solution into each glass. Observe the color of each solution. Adding turmeric solution in soap water changes the color to red-orange. We see no change of lemon juice. Turmeric is an indicator that only changes color when added to a base and has no effect when added to an acid. Now add lemon water, which is an acid, drop by drop into the solution of soap water and turmeric. Shake the solution well. As you add the drops, observe the changing color of the soap water. Stop adding acid when the color of the solution regains the color of turmeric, which is yellow. Can you explain what happened here? A neutralization reaction occurred when lemon juice, an acid, was added to the base solution of soap water. As the amount of acid and base in the solution became equal, the solution regained the color of turmeric as it became neutral.